Hello students, today I am going to teach you probability. Before going in detail of probability, I would like to introduce some terminologies. That is, first is random experiment. Random experiment is an experiment in which all possible results are known in advance, but none of them can be predicted with certainty. Is called a random experiment. हम लोगों को एक रैंडमली एक्सपेरिमेंट करना है, जैसे कि डाई डाई तो खेला ही होगा ना आपने. व्हेन वी थ्रो अ डाई, द ऑल पॉसिबिलिटीज, ऑल रिजल्ट्स दैट वुड कम ऑन दैट डाई, that is 1 2 3 4 whatever number comes on our die, our thrown die, that all results are known to us in advance and none of them we can predict with certainty. That is what, with sure we can't predict that what number will come in our die. That is, I throw a die and आई कांट से ना कि यहाँ पे 6 ही आएगा, अभी नंबर 5 आएगा मेरे डाई पे. तो जो भी डाई है हमने थ्रो किया हुआ, उससे ऑल पॉसिबल रिजल्ट्स हम लोगों को प्रेडिक्ट करने आता है, बट कोई पर्टिकुलर एक ही नंबर आएगा ये हम सर्टिनिटी से नहीं कह सकते. दैट इज द रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट. बाय थ्रोइंग अ डाई and predicting some number will come on our die, that will be some random experiment. Second is outcome. Second is outcome. Outcome is nothing but result of random experiment. Experiment. Like when we toss a coin, we have two possible outcomes. When, I will write here, when we toss a coin, suppose that we have tossed a coin, then there are only two possible outcomes. There are only two possible outcomes, and what are they? Head, that is H, or tail, that is what T. Only these two will happen, and you can tell that only head or tail will come with surety, but you can't predict that only heads will come and only tails will come. That is what the throwing of, that is tossing of a coin, is a random experiment. When we throw a dice, 6 outcomes will be there. 6 outcomes. Okay, sorry, I have forgotten to write here possible. Okay, 6 possible outcomes, that is 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. These 6 outcomes should be expected. Beyond 6, 7 number will not come, na? Or 0 number also will not come, because with surety we can predict that only 6 numbers will be there. So this is a random experiment. So you should know what are outcomes of a random experiment. Suppose there are 4 suits. There are 4 suits in a pack of playing cards. What are the 4 suits? That is spade, spades, hearts, diamonds, and club. Each suit has 13 cards. As you know, spade and club are black cards and heart and diamond are red cards. Spade and club, these two are black cards. That is known to us. Spade and club are black cards heart and diamond are red card, isn't it? This each suit has 13 cards. That is, spade will have 13 cards, club will have 13 cards, heart will have 13 cards, diamond also will have 13 cards. And do you know what are face cards? Face cards. Face cards are nothing but king, queen, jack. These three are what? Face cards. Beyond this, we have ace card. The ace card, what we call is a ekka. That is what the ace card. Ace card is not a face card. We cannot include our ace card in this face card list. That is king, queen, jack. These three are only the face cards. Ace card is not a face card. Then we will look equally likely outcomes. What is meant by that? A given number of outcomes are said to be equally likely outcomes if none of them is expected to occur in preference others. अब ये मैंने इतना बड़ा लिख दिया है, तो इसका मतलब यही है, ये पूरे लाइन जो मैंने लिखी है उसका एक ही मीनिंग है, द कंडीशन विच इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. अभी सपोज क्वेश्चन है, उसमें बोला है कि 2 कॉइन्स आर टॉस्ड. ऐसा बोला है कि दोनों भी कॉइन्स पे हेड्स आना चाहिए और दोनों भी कॉइन्स पे टेल्स आना चाहिए. तो इक्वली लाइकली आउटकम क्या होगी कि दोनों भी कॉइन के ऊपर टेल्स है और हेड्स है. दैट इज व्हाट द मीनिंग ऑफ इक्वली लाइकली आउटकम. सिंपल मीनिंग इज, सपोज we toss a coin, head or tail is a equally likely outcome. इक्वली लाइकली आउटकम मतलब क्या? अभी एक कॉइन को टॉस किया तो हेड्स और टेल दोनों में से कुछ भी आ सकता है ना, तो हेड्स और टेल इज अ इक्वली लाइकली आउटकम.